Welcome to Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin and in this episode we're going to talk about the DECON FBI. So we think this green emulsion is a perfect insect cleaner and insect remover. If you've got some bug splatter like here on the windshield that has been probably tried to wipe down a couple of times, so it's completely worked in. Here on the front we've got some really dried on and caked on and splattered bugs, mosquitoes, bees and their assets that really stick to the paint, so you really want to clean this thoroughly. To give it an honest comparison, I'm gonna tape off half of the front bumper, the bonnet and the windshield, which we're gonna work in half with only water and our pressure washer, and the other half with DECON FBI and with the pressure washer. So let's go. Before we start, we always want to make sure the nozzle is open. You have a stream setting and a mist setting. The mist. And we're gonna just spray it on the surface and let it soak in for 30 to 60 seconds. Always make sure you do this on a cool surface, not in the hot sun. So let's rinse it off. DECON FBI Fly, Bug and Insect Remover. Remove insects, oils, resin, sap, tar, asphalt and other contaminants. So this was the left side of the car. We did it with FBI. Now we're going to go to the right side of the car without the FBI. Well, I can already see it. I can blast a lot of things off of the front bumper, but not everything. And I have to come much closer with my nozzle to the surface, which is a risk. So we normally always would advise to stick, let's say 20-30 centimeters off of the surface, but in this case it's just undoable because you just don't blast it off without the FBI cleaner. Next to my finger, here, 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 here. That worked really good on the windshield. Maybe it's me. Do you see them? That's a stone chip. Yeah, that's a huge difference. Actually, this gives me the idea that this one went so good and the front bumper also good, but here we had more curing time. So maybe the 30 to 60 seconds should be 60 seconds minimum. Cool, good conclusion. To give it just a last go. I'm actually happy that we have products that actually do work. So before we bring them on the market, then Chris and me test everything, and we're not easily satisfied. A couple of manufacturers already know that. But at the end of the day, we always try to find formulas for you that actually bring the added value and do work, like we tell you that they do. And we're really thankful for the first year of DECON, which gave us a lot of trust from a lot of professional users and car lovers, and also the first resellers we have in I think 9 countries at the moment. Yeah, that means something for us, and this really motivates us to actually push even harder than we did. So we're gonna make a video soon that we're gonna do DECON 1 year later. Where are we now? So you might want to stay tuned for that, to have a little bit of a summary from what's all happened and what we did, and actually the roads that are still to go to. So check that one out as well. Cool. I think the results speak for themselves. So DECON FBI, I think this is a go-to product. So if you go on summer holiday by car this summer, take a bottle with you. If you're going to France, Italy, go to the local auto lavage de voiture. Spray in the front side of your car, let it cure in, hose it off with the pressure washer over there. But it really helps to get squeaky clean results and also cut down working time as well. We actually got a whole playlist of DECON products. Click on the pop-up banner to check that all out. Thank you guys and girls for watching. Enjoy clean cars. See you in the next video. Bye bye.